Yes, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will continue our discussion for today. For the second topic is what are benefit of going cashless or doing payments by doing online transaction. So I think I want to go first for this time. So the main point, the main reason, the main benefit of going cashless from my point is that better money management. Yeah. Because by going cashless, you can earn cashback and rewards point on every purchase. For example, you can earn 5% up to 10% cashback on groceries or fuel with credit or debit card. This is because some application may give the users some cashback from 5% to 50%. Pardon, I'm sorry.
Okay.
To 10 to 50% for every purchase that they have done. Up to the for every purchase that they have done. There's like groceries and fuel and also some at the supermarket. By doing that, the reward points can be exchanged in some voucher card or some gift. That's like the yes. Do you agree with me?
Lucky draw.
Lucky draw.
I don't understand.
Oh.
I don't 100% understand what you say.
Oh, no, 100%. So what part do you do?
You say voucher.
Voucher, yes.
Is that voucher valid on the supermarket?
Depends on the voucher. Depends on the voucher that you purchase. There's a lot of voucher that you can choose. There's such as McDonald's voucher, KFC vouchers. If you buy McDonald vouchers, you cannot use it on other supermarket or others chicken fried chicken shop. Do you still not get it?
Oh. When the voucher at the McD, KFC, McDonald's.
They usually, if you buy it online, they usually give you a code. They give you a code and a barcode. So when you want to use it, you only show it to the cashier at the McDonald's or KFC, and you will get some discount from the voucher.
Oh. Okay, I understand.
So who want to go after me?
I go first. For me, value of going cashless or paying by transfer is that will be faster payment process.
Oh, right.
When we queue at the cashier, example at the shop, at supermarket, we
need to wait for the line to
yes.
be for our turn.
Yes. So when we pay with the transfer or QR, when we pay with transfer and QR, we can save time.
We can save time. We do not have to wait in queue.
We don't have to wait
in line
10 minutes and even 15 minutes at the shop, at the supermarket.
Yes, I understand.
So when the cashless payment are complete within second without counting cash or waiting for charge.
Waiting for charge.
This makes transaction quicker and more efficient. When the QR, that would be so that will be efficient at the however small shop. Dah check kita kata dia jadi efficient.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Actually, I only have, yes, I understand half of it. At the start, you say we do not have to wait in line, right? Yes, I understand
You
that.
don't have to wait in queue.
Yes, I got to right. I don't understand some, but it's okay. So
Where part you don't
and
understand?
the recharge part, recharge, I understand that.
Oh,
Recharge.
the charge may be if you notice when we go to the supermarket, when we pay RM2.59, that will be the staff price, the things price is $2.59.
Right.
When we pay, they got ringgit 0 cent, 3 ringgit 1 cent. They get charged 2 cent. Yes. If you notice
Yeah, okay, I notice. So when we do online transaction, we don't have to pay some charge or taxes.
yes.
Oh,
That will be have and done. Like
or some else have some charge and some don't have.
yes.
Okay. So I think Adis is ready to go for this point.
So my first point of benefit of going cashless, that is greater convenience.
What? Can you repeat?
Greater convenience.
Greater convenience. So simple. Okay.
My point for greater convenience, that is we can go with fast transaction and save time in daily life.
Save time in daily life.
Yes.
point.
For example, transaction just take a time using just a phone or a single card.
We need to just swipe it, right?
Yes.
And
Just swipe or tap.
That's right. Is that what you?
Yeah, that's just a little. My first point, just a little.
Oh, after the you. That's a great point. I agree with you because of the.
Do you have point?
Wait, yeah, I will say after.
Okay.
There's a great point because of the. Okay, because you can save time by just swiping a card. Yeah, I agree with you. I also think that the benefit of going cashless is by going cashless you also can get to see your monthly expenses, your history of transaction, and your where did or simple where did your money go. You can see where did your money go. For example,
No. When you go to the physical store, you can get the receipt.
but your receipt can be destroyed, right? You can be drenched in water or can get lost. You don't remember where did you put it.
Okay lah. Okay, nice.
Yes. For example, monthly report show you exactly how much you spend on subscription.
Subscription,
Yes. You
Like-
know what subscription?
like transaction.
Subscription. It's like your, for example, subscription ni, this subscription is like when you go to Ziri, they have members card, right? If you have member card, you can get some bonus thing like some discount.
Bonus discount, whatever.
Yeah, that's what a subscription means.
Yeah, okay, I understand that.
You can get a little more special treatment than other person with no cards.
Okay.
So
Let me
I
go for my second point.
you want to go first.
when we go to the big mall or all standard mall, they have a self payment.
Self payment.
So like we
so-
put our groceries and we can buy ourselves.
You say you need just you scan it
We
and you just buy
we take
it.
the item and we
There is
go
no
to
cashier.
there is no
Oh,
cashier.
easy. That will
So,
be easy.
With that we can use QR code or use a card.
Uh,
So what do you think? Do you agree with that? I agree with him. You agree?
that will be easy. When use that.
When go to the mall, we have to buy food. We have take item and buy scan by ourselves. That's easy. No
Yes,
need to wait.
You don't need
Don't
to wait in line.
Okay, I understand.
Instant buy.
Okay. That's a good point.
What about you? Do you have a second point?
What is why?
I want to add some conclusion.
Okay.
Conclusions.
Okay.
Okay.
Do yours one point or conclusion?
It's up to you. But usually conclusion is for the end. If you don't have any more thing to say, just go to your conclusion.
Okay, I just go to my conclusion lah. In conclusion, going cashless save time by making payment faster and more convenient in daily life. So that means when using cashless payment, that will be faster when in daily life. Faster mean about paying and pay. Yes.
I don't understand. Can you repeat your conclusion?
For me, no. That in conclusion, cashless payment reduce physical risk and provide a cleaner and safer payment method.
So what about you? Or you or me going to give a third point.
I want to add something.
What do you want to say?
Sorry, I need to focus. Okay, so I also think that by going cashless, you also can
Okay.
get can get a good look to your expenses because some apps automatically categorize your spending, such as Apple, such as Google Play Store, and also some of the banking app, and also e-wallet like Touch and Go. They automatically categorize your spending. Right, if you spend your money on some grocery store and supermarkets, they will categorize it at the groceries expenses. If you spend it on some entertainment like in-game currency like diamonds in ML, UC and PUBG app in PUBG Mobile. They will categorize the expenses at entertainment.
Entertainment.
Yeah. they also can record your if you spend your money, if you if you if you give money at people, they will record your transaction at the transaction categories. So that you can see, you can look at how much you have spent your money, your monthly expenses. So you can be more
Okay,
more careful when spending money. Thank you Adik for helping me. So I want to proceed. So you have what point?
I don't have no.
You want to go straight to the conclusion.
Yes.
I also want to, before you do your proposition, I want to say my first. So the proposition, I think that going cashless is inconvenient, secure and efficient, and it also encourages responsible financial management because you can look out at your expenses and make you realize that you need to be more careful when spending money. Do you agree?
For my yes, I agree.
I want to say something.
Okay.
To save money, we don't have to go to the
Okay.
what you said it.
I just saying that going cashless is inconvenient and secure and efficient. It also encourages responsible financial management. This means that by going cashless, we can be more responsibility for our financial management, and also it was secure because it can be protected because some burglars if we carry big amount of money around, we can be an easy target for the burglar and the pickpocket to be a victim.
Oh, okay.
And it also efficient because you only need to have your card and your phone to transact a lot of amount of money.
I want to ask you one question. You say when using card is easy.
Yes.
Why when you go out you want to buy something, your card is missing?
Okay, it's missing. So that was our fault because we are not careful enough to
When you buy something like 300, you check in your wallet, your card is gone. What you want to do?
So we cannot buy that. So we cancel our payment. We cancel
Just
our deal.
You return that stuff to the
To the place because we cannot afford to buy it because we don't have the card. So we need to be more careful about ourselves and need to keep our card before buying something. So we have to bring our wallet and put the card in our wallet.
That will be we have to aware the card and the wallet.
Yes,
Not
we need to be
missing.
more aware and careful not to do any mistake.
Okay. Nice.
For my conclusion, benefit of going cashless is that no need to carry physical, like
Conclusion.
yes, we no need to carry a physical thing like cash, and we no need to go to ATM to take money.
Oh, so we also save you some time.
And we save some time.
Okay. So for all of our points, so what do we think? Which is the best one?
I think you have the best point, and your point your point is a good can relate to
Oh, we can relate.
uh,
Okay, we
in
can
our
relate.
life.
Yeah, we can. Okay, we can relate.
I also your point can relate to me too.
Okay. Okay, this our discussion today. May our discussion for today can be useful for our daily life.
Yeah, okay.
So let's end our discussion.